Natog, nakaupa ka na to. Kung saan na orasan nun? Klase ko na rin. Kung klase mo sabi. Siya na bang makakapag. Okay, Caroline. Okay, how are you, Caroline? Oh, very good that you entered the Zoom. We have so many concept classes because of the Zoom. You did not tell me that you don't install the Zoom. That's the problem.
Miss Hatcher.
Okay? So I just wonder why before it's very easy for you to enter, but now it's been 2 months or 1 month more. Yeah, 1 month more that you cannot have class because of the Zoom. Okay? So with us have here.
Yes.
Okay, so we have here lesson to book a flight. Okay, our topic for today is about booking flight. Okay, now my questions. How might you book a flight? How might you book a flight? How might you book a flight?
I think I book a flight if I go to uh
You book a flight? How? In what way you are going to book a flight? How?
I think I book a flight if I go for a tourist.
Like a tour?
Yes, a tour.
A travel and tour maybe. So you will gonna have the ticketing office, travel and tour, or you can book a flight through internet already. It's online. Okay, it's not that hard to book a flight. Okay, so everything nowadays it's convenient because you can book a flight. Okay, so we have here explorations, reading the dialogue. Okay, so by the way, Tono, Caroline, we are using the travel English now. We will not use the Cambridge. We'll be using since we need to talk more. We need to have topics, so we have particular topic. For today, we're going to talk about flight, booking a flight. Okay, so I am Andy and you are Sarah. Please try to ask questions to me. Hello, is this Enjoy Travel Agency?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
I'd like to book a flight to Los Angeles leaving this Thursday from Beijing.
Let me check that for you. We only have first class tickets left. Would you like to book it?
No, I just want an economy class ticket. Are there any flights separating departing on Friday?
There is a flight which departs at 8 a.m. on Friday because of the time difference. If we arrive into Los Angeles around afternoon local time, the economy class is available for what?
So, so there's a flight. No, I just want economy. Sorry, great. Please, can I book one?
Certainly, sir. I just need to take down the details.
Okay. So in this topic, in this conversation between Andy and Sarah Caroline, what do you think they are talking about?
We're talking about uh, booking a flight.
They're talking about booking a flight. Okay. So first, what did Andy say about book a flight to where? They were going to book a flight to where?
Yes, and he said that
Andy said,
he'd like to book a flight to Los Angeles.
okay, to Los Angeles leaving Thursday from Beijing, China. Okay. So now
Okay,
Sarah said, okay, she has to check. So, but there's only have first class tickets and no economy ticket left. So what did Andy say?
and he said that are there any other flights departing before 10 a.m. on Monday?
Okay. So Andy is looking for economy ticket. Okay. She's looking for economy ticket that will depart before 10 a.m. So in the morning, 10 a.m. Friday. So what did Sarah said? What did Sarah said?
Sarah said that there are economy class seats available for uh, I don't know how to speak it.
Okay, so Sarah said that there is a flight with departs 8 a.m. So that's good. And because of the time difference, it will arrive into LA around local time. So, but and there are economy class seats available. Okay. So what did Andy feel? Andy feel what?
Wait,
He look at Andy.
yes, and if you wait,
Okay, so Andy feel good and great because there is available economy class tickets that will departs before 10 a.m. And the exact time difference is 8 in the morning Friday. Okay, so they are talking here about ticket. Okay, so we have here. Now, I will have to ask questions. Okay, first, how did Andy book his flight? In this conversation, how did Andy book his flight? How did Andy book his flight?
uh, any content to the flight.
Andy booked his flight through the
Hmm, yes, I don't
Andy.
know.
Oh, Andy will book his flight.
Um, any book his flight. Uh,
Okay, through the, Andy booked his flight through the, where? Through the agency. It's the travel agency. Yes, exactly. He booked his flight through the travel agency. Okay, now, what might prices differ for seats on the same plane? What might prices differ for seats on the same plane? I'm sorry, why? Why might prices differ for seats on the same plane? Why do you think there's a difference for the seats on the same plane? They are in the same plane, but why do you think there's a difference?
Because I think if the price is more higher, it will be more most convenient.
Okay, it is more convenient. Okay, it is more convenient. Okay. So when booking an international flight, what should you pay attention to? When booking international flight, what did we pay attention to?
I think
What do you
I
think?
think
Okay, when booking an international flight, what should you pay attention to? Because that's international. So it means international from one country to another country. Okay, from one place to another place, that's local. If it's another country, that's international already.
uh, I think I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. So when booking that, what should you pay attention to? Of course, you have to pay attention to the time difference. Okay. Example, Vietnam and Philippines, we have 1 hour difference. Oh, I don't know in Vietnam and US, there's another time difference. So we have to pay attention to the time difference because not all country has the same time zone. Okay, so not all. So you have to pay attention to. Okay. Okay. So look at this one. So here. So completing the flight booking tips using the words in the back. So we have here the words in the box. We have four. And can you please complete booking tips using the word in the box? You can read if you want. You can fill in the answer if you want. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So remember, so please choose. Okay. You can book a flight online or you can call up long.
travel agency.
Hey, you can call a travel agency. Very good. Okay, the price of the blank is much cheaper than the price of the first class.
uh, Economy class.
Economy class, of course. First class is expensive compared to economy class. That's the reason why Andy does not choose the first class because he knew that it was actually Very expensive. Okay. First class is more spacious than blank. Okay. First class is more spacious than, you can repeat your answer.
Uh, it's more spacious than economy class.
Very good. There is a blank between areas of different time zones. There is a blank between areas of different time zone. There is
Uh,
a,
time differences.
okay, very good. There is a time differences. Of course, there is a time differences. Okay, next. For the international flight, the arrival time is always told to you in a blank
In the local time.
in the local time. Okay. Next one. You can calculate the blank. You can calculate the blank for any trip between cities online.
The, the time differences.
Okay. So you can calculate the local time for any trip. I mean, sorry, for the international flight, the robot is always told to you in local time. And then you can calculate the blank for any trip between cities online. You can calculate the time.
The local time.
Okay, you can calculate the time difference. Okay. Okay, very good, Caroline. Okay, next one. Okay, so here, completing the sentences and matching with the similar meaning in the back. What do you think are the correct or the similar meaning, the thing or the thing that you are going to write the similar meaning in the box? So we have it A to letter H. Okay. Okay, so here. Okay. Number one. Okay, tell me. I'd like to book a flight to Blanc from. I'd like to book a flight
Uh,
to Blanc from. A similar meaning.
wait, teacher, let me think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go.
Could you please book me a flight to Tokyo for this Sunday?
Okay, again, what letter?
Energy.
Letter G. Good. Okay, that's it. Yeah, the same meaning. Could you please book me a flight because you are asking booking a flight. I prefer a blank class.
I, let us see.
Okay, letter C. I'd like to buy business class tickets. The flight gets into blank around blank local time. This is the arrival.
Letter E.
Okay, letter.
E.
Okay, letter E. Letter E. The flight will arrive at known local time. So we're talking here the arrival of the flight. There are some blank tickets available. There are some blank tickets available.
Letter D. Letter D.
Okay. Okay. There are some tickets available. Letter. What's the
Letter D.
number? Letter again D. We only have this one. Okay, we
Yes.
only have economy class tickets left. Very good. So you are talking here the availability of the tickets. So you are asking if there is the one tickets left, only economy ticket left. Very good. So now let us have here, okay, this one. Okay, let us have this. Okay, so let us do practice. Practice buying a flight ticket by calling an airline company. Okay, the students, look at the teacher, a student's task is to choose your destinations. You have to call the Northwest airline to book a ticket, ask questions about the flight and what kind of tickets are available, and you decide which one to buy. The teacher's task is to provide flight details for your customers, to help your customers buy a ticket, and of course, to get your customers' personal details. Okay, so please try to think what you will gonna do or you gonna say when you buy a flight ticket by calling online company, airline company. So what you were gonna do? What you were gonna say? So the challenge is, how do you book a flight online or how do you get the ticket online? Okay, so you tell me.
Um,
Okay, you're done?
Not yet, teacher.
Okay, okay.
I'm done, teacher.
Okay. So I will ask now. Okay, so we have here. So my task is I will provide flight details for your customers. Okay. So your task is to choose destination. So I will ask now. So when you are going or what will be your destinations?
Yes. 2 years ago.
Yeah, 3 years ago. Okay. So what will be your destinations? What will be your destinations? You choose your destination.
Um, to
You will be going to
London.
you will be going to London. Okay. So have you had the ticket already? Have you booked a ticket?
No, not yet.
So about the ticket. So where do you plan to get the ticket? So in case you haven't booked it yet, where do you plan to get the ticket? Where? Where do you
Could you
plan to
say
get the ticket? In ba?
that? Where's Plant?
Okay. So another, okay. So you were gonna ask questions about flight and what kind of tickets. So here, if you were gonna travel to another country, what kind of tickets or class you wanna book?
I'd like to book a ceremony ticket, please.
You want to book economy or first class? You want
Economy.
the economy class. Okay. So, okay. So before that one, how many of you are traveling? Are you traveling alone or are you with the family or a friend?
I'm traveling with my friend.
You're traveling with your friends. Like how many days or how many months or weeks you are going to stay in London?
I think I'll stay here about 5 days.
5 days. Are you going to travel for business, work, or you are gonna travel for pleasure or leisure just to enjoy?
Yes, I just go there to enjoy.
Enjoy for leisure time only. Okay. Now, which one you decide to buy? The economy or, of course, or the first class?
Economy, please.
Okay. So how did you book your ticket? Through agency or online or phone?
Online.
Okay, online. Do you think it is convenient for you to do it online or you need to go to the place where there is a ticket?
Uh, could you ask me again?
Okay. So here, now since you book via online, okay. So are you fixed with your schedules? Are you ready with everything that you were gonna do if you were gonna start your travel?
Yes.
Oh, when will you plan to travel?
About 9 p.m. tomorrow.
Okay, again, come again. When will be the plan to travel?
About 9 p.m. tomorrow.
Okay, 9 p.m. tomorrow. Wow, that's good. Are you excited for your first? Is this your first trip? I know,
Yes, this is my first trip
a
to another
first
country.
trip to another with friends.
Yes.
Okay, so are you excited?
Yes, very much, teacher.
Wow. Okay, so I know you're very excited. Everyone should be excited when they have their first, right? Their first travel.
Yes.
Okay. So now, our challenge is only for you to know if you book ticket online, how to book ticket. So for your first experience that you book ticket online, what can you say?
Uh, I say that I'd like to book a ticket to London, please.
Okay. So what did you say? What did you feel? What can you say about the first experience of booking ticket via online? What is your first experience?
I don't understand.
I
But
mean, okay, when you book a ticket online, so what can you say? What is your experience? Okay, next. Okay, so our review here, we're going to have review, customer, book a ticket, and the stuff. So of course, when you try to book a ticket, so you are the customers, and there's someone who will going to ask you, or you will ask about some questions about booking the ticket. So if I will ask you, Caroline, what do you think will be your first questions when you try to book ticket by online? What do you think is your first question? You will gonna ask about what? First questions that you were gonna ask. Okay, so what is the first questions that you were gonna ask when you book a ticket? First question, Caroline, that you were gonna ask when you try to book a ticket.
yes,
Okay, the first questions that you were gonna ask when you book a ticket.
um, are there any flights arriving on Friday before 10 a.m.?
Okay, so first is
Are there any flights arriving on Friday?
okay, so that's it. Very good. Okay. So Caroline, teacher don't have enough time, so I will have to make a class review on Thursday, 9 p.m. like this. Okay, Thursday.
Teacher, teacher,
Again,
I can
are you
have class with you on Thursday. Maybe in
when
Tuesday.
will maybe in Tuesday?
Yes.
Tuesday what time?
Well, 9 p.m.
9 p.m. So I will take note of that. Wait, Caroline, ha? Just wait me.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So on Tuesday, 9 p.m., we will have a class again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And please use the same link and ID.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so thank you so much for tonight. And then I will see you on Tuesday. Please don't forget to have the class on Tuesday. Okay?
Okay, goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Good night.
Good night.
Okay, good night, Caroline. See you on Tuesday. Bye bye.